Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to key in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Keying in Adobe Premiere Pro allows you to remove a specific color from a video clip, which is especially useful for chroma key effects like removing green or blue screens. Alright, so once you open the Adobe Premiere Pro app, I want you to import your clips. Alright, in my case, I'm going to be importing one clip here, which is like a watches, and the first thing that you need to do after importing your clips is go to the effect key. If you can't find the effect panel, go to the windows, click the effects, which is Shift+7. In this case, type in key. It will give you 5 major keying effects, which are alpha adjust, color key, luma key, track matte key, and ultra key. Now, in this section right here, okay, if you click the ultra key right here, double click that, just click the color picker. You see that? What will happen is the background of the blue screen has disappeared and integrated perfectly well with your preferred background. Right? So that's one way. Now, I'm gonna delete that. Instead, I'm gonna select another clip, which is gonna be this. Go to the effects again. Let's try to use the alpha adjust. Double click that. And again, for the alpha adjust, it's up to you if you want to increase the here in terms of the color key. If the ultra key doesn't work, try the color key, click the dropper right here and try to increase it and accordingly. Same goes with the luma key right here. You see that? Now it became transparent for the luma key. And of course, you can decrease the threshold so that it would appear again. All right, and forming a overlapping kind of background. All right, and that's basically how you key in Adobe Premiere Pro. Of course, you can fine-tune the keying using the following settings in the effects control panel for fine-tuning. And also, the ultra key is one of the best in terms of adding multiple for example, we're gonna add a cat here. Similarly to the blue effect, if you click the ultra key on the right here, effects, right, the background will be removed accordingly. Make sure your background video is on gonna be high quality. You should see the foreground clip overlaying the background. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.